If you've never had the opportunity to drink hydrogen water, you might be wondering if it could hurt you. Let me give you the fast and easy answer. When we try something new to eat or drink, we naturally wonder what effect it might have on our body. If you haven't tried hydrogen water before, you might be asking, could it hurt you? And I'm confident and proud to give you the answer. No, hydrogen water cannot hurt you. The hydrogen molecule is an integral part of normal body chemistry, and your body knows exactly what to do with it. Hydrogen will rid the body of free radicals that you no longer need. Hydrogen water is a great delivery system. It is simply water with more hydrogen gas dissolved into it. You drink the water, and the hydrogen moves easily into our cells, helping us to optimize cellular signaling, inflammation, and redox status. The basics of how we work just work better. If your chemistry needs a good rebalancing, then it's possible to feel a bit off for a few days. Your body is getting used to this new optimal, but hang in there and you'll be glad you did.